integrating condition-based assessments into your mechanical integrity program. When discussing mechanical integrity and risk-based inspection, there are many considerations that must be accounted for when applying this to pressure relief devices. So let's review how AsInt is facilitating these assessments within the software that they have built in the SAP platform. You see, we're logged into SAP ASPM, and if we select Asset Intelligence and then select our Strategy Development tile, we can now create a new assessment and name that assessment Condition-Based Adjustment and apply this to our selected device. You notice that in the AsInt application, we are able to select either an RBI-based assessment or a conditional-based assessment. We've already performed our RBI assessment, so we're going to select condition-based, so that determine the impact of the last inspection of our device. You'll notice that all of the data is being pulled from master data to populate all fields. This data will be used as a baseline or starting point for this assessment. Now we're able to adjust the responses to these questions based on the findings from our most recent inspection and testing of our device. We see that based on the previous RBI assessment, we've been assigned a 15.8-year interval. So, let's see how our findings will adjust that recommended interval. We need to set the As Found condition to indicate that fouling was noted, noting that our pop test indicated that the valve opened at above our set pressure. Once we hit Calculate, we can see that the program has adjusted the recommended interval to 8.9 years. Now when we save and publish this data, it will write all the data back to master data, updating that data set with the results of this latest assessment. This data will then be available for future RBI or condition-based analysis. Once we click Publish, we see the recommendation to perform a bench test at the adjusted target date. We're now able to select that recommendation and create a notification. You may define this as a maintenance request and set the priority to High. And finally, when we click Publish, we received confirmation that a notification has been created, and we're able to manage that notification through the standard SAP workflow. Find out more at asint.net or follow us on YouTube at AsInt Inc.